Hey, my name is Jonathan Boyd. I'm the founder of BreakthroughGuitar.com, and I just want to give Mike some excellent praise for putting together the Richer Everyday System. And the best way I can describe it that I've thought of so far is that imagine if you took all the books, all the seminars, all the courses that you've either taken or read or been to over the years and literally distilled all of it down into one distinct or succinct action plan that you can act on immediately. It's amazing to me how essentially Mike distills down not even the 80-20, the 80-20 of the 80-20 of what you need to know based on what you need to think, how you need to feel, and what you actually need to do to set up a system that creates predictable wealth for you. Just to be honest, the first time I met Mike, I was sleeping on a mattress on the floor, and I invested in his List Grow program. And if you can see behind me, I just moved into this apartment this week. That is a direct result. I'm not kidding. That is a direct result of Mike's List Grow program. And I have to say that Mike is the only person out there that whenever he puts out a new program, I literally don't even read the sales letter. I don't watch the video. I don't need to do anything because I trust Mike. I trust what he's putting out is going to work, and it has for me every single time. That's why I'm so excited about the Richer Everyday System, and I highly suggest you take it for a test drive. Just if you are looking to build passive income, to build long-term wealth, and you really haven't been able to, maybe you've been spinning your wheels or you haven't really been able to get traction so far, please take him up on the offer.